Hello guys, it's me, your 2.0 JD. So now we're gonna play my own game called Disaster World. Disaster World, okay? Let's check the menu. And when you click the pause button, it just stops everything. And when you click the back button, it just does that. It just sends you back to the game. And when you click bugs, you can read it by yourself. And when you click credits, you can read it by yourself. And we're gonna start by normal. We're not gonna do hard. Okay, oops, I forgot. And let's go. And this is the scar. The car is one of the enemies. And when the car touches the black square, it's game over. Because that's why it's called Disaster World. And actually, this is version undone. And what I mean by undone is this is not finished. This is not finished yet. And that's the wave. It's kind of like the car, and when it touches the black square, it's game over. It's the same AI as the car. And this game is infinite, but when something touches the square, the black square, it stops everything. So now we're gonna play. Oh, sorry about that. That was just a bugs. And it's kick. And when you click hard, it makes the movement of the car much faster. And when you wait for the wave, it makes the wave much more faster than ever. And did you know how the wave spawns? Oops, I died. It's because there's a literal beach right next to the square. Oops. So, this is so hard. This game is the hard mode is hard. I cannot do it. And that's all I have to show for you.